Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can schedule Instagram Reels on PC. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC and search for Creator Studio for Instagram. Open the first website and the Meta Business Suite will open up. It will then ask you to log in using your Facebook or Instagram. I'm gonna go with Instagram account. It will then prompt you to enter your account details, but I have already signed in. After signing in, you will be redirected to the main homepage of the Business Manager. Now click on Content from the left side menu and it will take you to the Content section. Now inside Posts, go to Schedule tab and it will ask you to select a date. You can save it as it is because you can change it later. Click on this drop down here and upload media of your choice. After uploading media, enter caption and set the scheduled date. Now your post has been scheduled successfully. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.